friends, welcome to Hunt Electronics, and this is your friend Shakib. And in today's technical session we are going to build a 4x4 LED cube over here. So what new in this 4x4 LED cube? So I have divided this session in two parts. One is the hardware, which I am going to teach you how to build this 4x4 cube hardware over there, and second part of this video will be dedicated for a software. So there are many of my friends which are not a professional programmer or a coder over here. So you must be thinking how to program this LED cube or how to generate these animations over here. So for that I've got one software. In that software you can, anyone which is a non-technical person also, he can generate this animation and he can code this LED cube, and that software I will be giving you people all the free of cost. You can download it and you can just create your own animations and LED cube. So that will be the software part I'm going to teach you in part 2 of this video. So at the part 1 today itself we are going to just see how to create this hardware part, how to build this LED cube over there, and in the second part I will be teaching you how to code it. Okay, you don't have to make a program or code for this. Everything will be ready-madely provided through the software. You have to just click it, copy it, paste it, and you have to upload it. Okay, it is that easy. So any one who is a non-technical person also can program, and they can build their own LED cube with lots of different animations. Okay, so without wasting time, let us start with a hardware cube. So let us first see what are the materials or devices, a controller which we required. The most important, we required the Arduino Uno. So this time we are going to build a 4x4 LED cube with the help of a Arduino Uno. So you required one Arduino Uno board. Second, you require the USB programming data cable. Then, as it is 4x4x4 LED cube, so 4x4x4, total we required a 64 diffuse LED. You can choose any color in that. You like red, green, blue, yellow. Then you required one general purpose board on which we are going to fix our LED cube. Then you require some connecting copper wires. Okay. Then you required one small nose plier to bend the LED strips, and then you required a stripper or cutter. Okay, so these are the instruments which you require to build a 4x4 LED cube. Let us start with building a cube. So here we got a LED. Okay, so you can see one terminal of the LED. So you can see, my dear friends, one terminal of the LED is bigger and another is a shorter over here. Okay, one is the long and another is the shorter. So the long terminal, it is a positive and the shorter is the negative. So another, it is called as, one long terminal is anode and another is a cathode. So the most important thing, the cube which we are going to build, it is a common anode type. Okay, common anode. So let us start building over here. Now slowly I'm going to start building here. So we required the 4x4. So this is the platform here. So this is the platform where we are going to build a LED cube over here. Okay, this is 4x4. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 4x4 over here. Start placing the LED over here. So this is the first one. So I have taken the positive terminal outside and negative at the inside. So LED 1 2. My dear friends, at the left hand side we have got all the positive terminal, and the right hand side we have got all the negative terminal. So as this is a common anode, the cathode terminal is supposed to be fold like this. Whichever the legs you have folded, you have to start soldering it with the help of soldering gun. I've completed the first layer. Like this, we have to create 4 layers over here. That is why it's called as a 4 by 4 by LED. So now you can see that we have finished with all the 4 layers. So this is the layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, and this is your layer 4. Okay, so as we have finished with all the 4 layers, we have to cross verify whether our connections are done properly. There should not be any dry solder. Okay, so you can take your multimeter. If you have got a multimeter, put it on the continuity sector. You should hear a beep sound like this, as this is a common anode. Okay, so you can take a negative probe up here. This should be so like this. You have to cross verify whether each and every LED is glowing, turning on or not. So like this, you have to check all the layers. Okay, so all my dear friends, once you have finished with all the testing of all the LEDs, whether they are turning on or not, so once you are confirmed, now you have to just you have to fold this for the 30 degree. You have to fold this like this for 30 degree. Okay, angle. Each and every lid you should fold for a 30 degree like this, slowly. Okay, so you have to fold like this at the angle of 30 degree. Okay, you can see here I folded all the leads to the 30 degree of angle over like this. So we'll take another in the same direction. Again, you have to fold it to the 30 degree. So you can see this. Again, I folded it the similar way. You can see I folded all. So like this, you have to fold all the 4 layer leads to the 30 degree of angle. Okay, so once you have done it, now once you are done with this, now we have to connect each and every layer with each other. So to keep it here, and you have to take a proper distance, and then you have to start soldering. So now once we have done with all the stuff, now we have to start connecting all the layers one after another. Okay, so take this like this, and okay, first try to connect all the 4 corner LEDs. Okay, you can see here I've connected both the layers together. I can keep it. So my dear friends, you can see that I have connected both the layers together. Okay, can make some adjustment over here. You can see there should not be any dry solder. Okay, now we are going to connect next layer to it. Okay, we'll take for one more layer. Friends, you can see that we have connected all the 3 layers. Let us start with the last layer. Dear friends, you can see that we have connected all the 4 layers. We are supposed to fit all the 4 layers on the PCB board which we have. Dear friends, we have to connect all the cube on this PCB board over here. So let's start connecting it. So my dear friends, you can see that I have connected all the cube on the PCB base over here. Okay, now we have to attach some connector. Okay, so with the help of that connector we are going to interface our LED cube with Arduino board. So my dear friends, as this is 4x4 cube, okay, there are total the 16 pin which we are going to connect to the Arduino. Okay, so and all the 16 pin are going to get connected to each LED at the base, that is common anode. This 16 pin should be connected over here. 1 2 3 4, starting from here 1 2 3 4, so then next 4. Okay, now along with this 16 pin we required 4 transistors which will be acting as a driving. So here the transistor is going to act like a switch. Okay, so I hope you people have taken the screenshot of the circuit diagram which I have displayed at the starting of the video. It is very important. If not, you can go back and you can take a screenshot of it, so you'll come to know about it. Okay, so the next point, we have to connect all the transistors. For the circuit diagram, the emitter should be the common and it should be grounded. So this is collector. If you hold the transistor like this, so the first here pin, it is a collector, the center pin is a base, and then emitter. So here all the emitter terminals I have short together, which is supposed to be grounded. So as per the circuit diagram, all the emitter terminal is supposed to be grounded. Okay, now we are supposed to connect resistor, that is a current control resistor over here. So we have got 400 ohm resistor. Connect the 4 pin connector over here, that is going to be connected to the 4 layer of it. So all my dear friends, you can see that we have made all the connection. Now these all the 4 transistors will connection will go to all the layer 1 2 3 and 4, and all these 16 pin connections are going to be connected here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So let us start connecting. Now friend, as we have finished with all the cube work, now let us connect all the anode terminals to the connector, and through the connector we are going to interface to the Arduino board. Okay friends, now you can see we have even connected the 3rd row. Now the last row is remaining. So all my friends, you can see that all the 16 anode terminals which I have connected to the connectors over here. So all the vertical, that is anode, I have connected over here. Through here we are going to connect to the Arduino board. Okay, now all the horizontal layers, so there are 4 horizontal layers are there, 1 2 3 and 4. All these 4 horizontal layers are supposed to be connected to this transistors one by one. So layer 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is layer 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all these 4 layers are going to controlled by this transistor. So let us start connecting to the transistor. You can see this, the first transistor I've connected to the first layer, now second transistor to the second layer, and third to third, and fourth to fourth, and so on. So we have to connect this. So all my dear friends, you can see that we have connected all the layers 1, 2, 3 and 4 layers to this 4 transistor. Now I will be showing you. I hope once again I will remind you, I hope you have taken the screenshot of the circuit diagram which I have shown you at the start of the video. Okay, if not, please go back, rewind the video and you can take a screenshot of it. Okay, so you'll get a knowledge how I'm going to connect it to the Arduino Uno. So as we have completed with all the hardware stuff, let us start interfacing the LED cube with the Arduino board over here. So we can see here it is 1 to 16, which I have already discussed, and this is 1 to 4 pin over here. So let us start connecting one by one. So my friends, we have connected all the 16 IOs with all the 4 transistor, and one more pin that we required is the ground pin. Okay, so here we have got a ground. So this would be the ground pin. So let us upload some basic program and let us test our cube. So my dear friend, let us start with the programming as you can see on the screen over here. So if you are a hobbyistic and if you are not good with the programming, don't worry friend. As I told you, I will be giving you a free software where you can create your own animation and you can upload and program it. You don't have to write a single code. Okay, and that software will be the free of cost from my side. Okay, so looking towards the screen, you can see here you have got file, edit and sketch and tool over here. So in the tool, first you have to go and you have to select the Arduino Uno board which we have. So there are many Arduino boards are there. So out of that we are selecting Arduino Uno. Second, again going to the tool, select the port. Okay, COM port, COM3, whichever, once you get connected with it. Okay, whichever it is. So once you connect your Arduino board to your laptop or computer, desktop, whatever it is, it will show you. See, it is indicating over here COM3. Okay, so already the code is written over here. The same code I will be providing you for the testing purpose, and there is one animation software which I am going to provide you. With the help of that, anyone in the world who may be the technical person or non-technical person, they can build their own LED cube and they can create their own animations in the LED cube. Okay, so let us check this. First we have to go sketch and compile, that is compile and verify. I hope there are no errors. Yeah, there is no errors over here. You can see here the sketch is using a 5% of a program storage. Still you have got 3, 2, 2, 5, 6 byte of memory. So a lot of big memory over here. And here this arrow indicates it is uploading. So let us upload it. And now you can see the output over here in the screen. So it started. See. So we have uploaded all the program in this. You can see here. See how to program the LED cube over here. So in the last video we have seen how to build a 4x4 LED cube over there. That is all the hardware stuff. What are the requirement, which type of LED, how to interface it with the Arduino board, and how to upload the program. Okay, so as I told you in the last video, it doesn't matter if you are a school going children or a college student, a hobbyistic, it doesn't matter your age. Okay, everyone can program this. So we have developed one software which is called as a code generator, and you can generate your own code of different pattern, and you can upload it, and you can enjoy the different patterns of this LED cube over here. So in today's session we are going to just learn how to use that software. So I am going to just teach you how to use that software. The link of that software will be given into my description. You can just click it. It will direct you to the drive. You have to download all the supporting files for that, and just save it on your desktop. And as I'm going to instruct you the same way, you can use it and you can upload it. For those who are watching my this video first time, in the last video I have teach you all the hardware stuff. Please go with that hardware stuff first, create your own LED cube, and then go for the part 2, that is today's session over here. So this session will be the hands-on practical, and for that you require the LED cube, Arduino board and it interface. Then only you can enjoy it. Okay, so let's start with the session. So my dear friends, this is the software which I was talking about. And if you are a new learner, hobbyistic, if you are school going a student, doesn't matter, you can do the program on your own. Okay, let us start one by one. So here you can see the info is there. So if you click on the info, you'll get all the information regarding this software. Okay, so all the shortcuts keys, how to cut, paste, how to mark on, each and everything is given over here. Okay, then the next is a main code. So here it is given as a main code. If you click on this, the main program is given over here. So we are going to see the detail how to execute this program. My dear friend, as I told you, you don't have to write any code or any program for Arduino Uno. Everything I've already written over here. You have to just replace this, okay, generated code. So how the code is generated and how to replace this, I will be showing you. Now you can see the window over here. It is written as 4 by 4 by 4 LED cube over here. So you can see here plane 1, plane 2, plane 3 and plane 4. So these are the vertical plane, as I have showing in you into the diagram over there. It is a vertical planes over here. So the LED cube has got some horizontal plane and vertical plane. Here I have taken the example of vertical plane because it is very easy to understand. Now I'll show you how to generate the code. So here you can see every plane has got all and clear, all and clear, all and clear, all and clear. So if you click on all, so the all cube will be selected. This all cube selected means it is going to turn on all the LED. Okay, if you click on the clear, all the LED will be off over here. Similar in the plane 2 also, you can just click on the all, so it will be turning all the LEDs over here. If you click on the clear, it will be turning off. Okay, apart from that, if you see in the plane 1, okay, there is here you can see the black windows over there. If you click on that, particular row and column will get on. Okay, particular row and column for each and this. Okay, so that is just a shortcut key to turn all and off. Okay, now suppose if you have selected all things and if you want to clear it once, okay, if you don't want to click a multiple time, you can just click all, clear all, so it will get clear all. If you want to mark all, you can just click on the mark all over here. Okay, now here at the bottom you can see here enter the time in ms, that is a milliseconds over here. So here by default it will be the 10 millisecond. You can increase this time depending upon you, so I can edit and I can make it 30 milliseconds over here. Suppose I mark all the led, and at the bottom you can see the generate, undo and remove all. Suppose if I click on the generate, see at the bottom you will find the code is being generated. Again if I click, again the same code is generated over here. Now suppose if I clear this, if I select something else and if I again mark it as a generate, it will generate. Okay, so that is generate. If I mark is undo, so that will be erasing it. Okay, now if I say remove all, suppose if I have generated some code over here and if I want to remove this, just click on the remove all, it will be get removed over here. Now suppose if I generate the n number of code over here and this code is generated for a 30 milliseconds. Okay, now if I want to change this time and if you want to make it 10 or a 20, suppose 20, here is one more window that is called as change time. Just click on this 20, make it 20 and make it, just click on it. So you can see here already this is 30 milliseconds. Now if I click on this 20, it will making it 20. You can change the time over here. Now like this you have to generate the code, you have to copy this code, and you have to paste in actual program. Now let us do the actual practical work and let us see the outcome. My dear friend, let us do it technically. So first upon you have to download the Arduino IDE. Okay, if you don't know how to download, from where to download, I have given the link in the descriptions over there. Okay, so as I told you, first click on the double click on the exe file over here. So you will get an info main code. You have to click on the main code. Okay, the code will be appeared over here. Just make a control A and control C, control all, and copy all over there. Once you copy it, you can close the window and you can go over here in Arduino IDE, make a new sketch. Okay, so this is the new sketch. Okay, this is the new sketch. Just delete all and control V. So copy all the code over here. Okay, now in this code you can see here one comment is there where I've written here replace this with a generated code. Okay, now we'll do one by one. Now first go into my exe file software, that is a LED code generator over here. You can see here plane 1, plane 2, plane 3, plane 4. This is all the vertical plane. Now let us see one by one. Okay, so the plane 1 will turn on the plane 1. To turn on the plane 1, what we have to do, we have to select all the LEDs. So these all cubes are indicating the LED. So I'll just select all. Okay, when I click on the all, you can see each and every LED is selected over here. Now you have to enter the time for the amount of time you want to display this LED, and the rest all planes are off. Now there is one window called as a generator. Click on the generator. So you can see at the below there is one code is generated. You have to copy this code, again copy, control C, and in the program where I have written replace this with the code generator, you have to just select it and paste over there. Okay, so I have pasted that code over here. Now in the other video you can see that the LED cube over there. Now what you have to do, go into the tool, select Arduino Uno. Okay, then go into the tool, again go into the port, select the COM3. For my laptop it is COM3, it may be COM2, 3, 4, whatever it is at your side. You have to select it and then go and upload it. So if you want, verify and compile it. Once it verified and compiled, just upload it. Okay, now in the video you can see the layer 1 is on. The layer 1 is on. So there are 4 layers, vertical planes are there. Out of that, the layer 1 is on. Okay, now we'll go again to the generator, code generator over here. Now from the layer 1 we want layer 2 to be on. So first layer will clear all, second layer will select all now, and again we'll click on the generator. Now second code is also generator for a 30 milliseconds. Okay, again you can copy this, copy, and you have to replace the same code over here, the previous code, by the new code. Okay, now we have turned on the 2 layers. Just click on the upload. You can see on the window video, you can see now the 2 layers are on. Okay, now let us do the similarly 4 layers. Okay, so this was second layer, I'll just clear it. Again I'll select the third layer, I'll keep it generate, then I will clear it, then I will go for the fourth layer, I'll select all, I'll just click on the generate. Okay, so this all code is going to get executed for a 30 milliseconds of the period each layer. Again you copy it, previously code you have to just delete and you have to paste the new code over here. Again you have to upload it. So you can see in the window. So now you can see that we have turned all the layers one by one, one after other for a 30 milliseconds. Okay. Now let us add some few more animation to it. See, already at the bottom the code is generated. We have to continue with that code. Let us go by layer. Now we'll go the horizontal layer. So this is first horizontal layer. I will be selecting all. Okay, for a 30-second, and just click on the generate. Okay, then if I press this clear all, everything will be clear. Then second layer, horizontal layer, click on the generate. It will get generated here for a next 30 milliseconds. Then clear all. Then a third horizontal layer. Okay, and just click on the generate. Again it will get generated. Then clear it all. Then fourth horizontal layer. Okay, click on the generate. Now this code has been generated over here. Now let us copy paste this code into the actual program and let us see. Copy. So this was our earlier code. So I'll just delete this and I will paste the new code over here which we have generated, and I'll upload it. You can see in the video how the LED cube is going to work. You can see this. Okay, so all the vertical planes and horizontal planes. Okay, now we can add some more to it. Mark all. So I'll just click on the mark all. Okay, mark all, and I'll just make this for 40 seconds, 40 milliseconds, and just I'll generate the code. Okay, mark all, then clear, mark off, then mark all, and I'll generate this. Okay, let us copy this now. Just Control C and go to the actual this and delete the old code in this and just paste, and now upload it. And now let us see how the pattern is going to be observed. So vertical, horizontal, all off, all off, on. So my dear friend, like this you can create the n number of animations with this 4x4 LED cube. This software is very nice and very easy to use. Even the school going student from a 5th and 6th standard can use this, and they can create their own LED cube. If you want some more animation, let us do some all animation. Suppose if you want to turn on the corner of LED, each corner of the LED. So this is a vertical layer 1 and vertical layer 2. Okay, I'll generate this. Then I'll just clear all. I'll generate one code for 40 milliseconds. Again, I will go for each corner of the LED I want to turn on. And I will generate this. Okay, now just copy this and paste it into the code. Okay, and now upload this. Now let us see how the effect is. You can see that all four corners of LED is turned on and off. So like this you can develop your own, you can make a reel sort of it, you can just enjoy coding the LEDs over here. So as I told you, the hardware part of this is completed, covered in the part 1 of the video. Please go through the part 1, those who have missed out, for the details of the hardware. And for the software it is very easy. Once again, the link of this all software I have given into the description. You can just click on it. From the drive you can download it and you can enjoy it. Once again, just you have to click on the link given in the description. You have to download all the files, open it, just practice the way I have told you. Okay, and just enjoy all the animations pattern, and you can generate on your own. That's it, my dear friends. For more technical video, please, my dear friends, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your subscription is a motivation for me.